Well, scams exist. We've come a long way since the Prince of Nigeria scams that existed some years ago saying send us money and you'll make millions. But still scams exist, and that takes us to this week's case. Involves a lawyer, Keith Woods. He practiced law in Houston, Texas. And he received a message on his cell phone that said he missed jury service, but this could all be taken care of in exchange for him paying $1,000. Well, I won't get into the details of the scam, but at the end of the day, he, the attorney, Keith Woods, paid $1,000 because he was told that he had missed jury duty. Well, the clerk of the court, and the various other authorities in Houston, Texas, which is Harris County, pointed out, hey, this should never have happened because, one, when somebody misses jury duty, they normally do not ever get a phone call from the sheriff's office or from the court or from anybody else. What they get is a notice in the mail. And usually that notice in the mail may direct them to a hearing to show why they shouldn't be held in contempt of court. So they get to go to a hearing, plead their case as to why they didn't show up. And that all takes place before there is any kind of a penalty that is imposed. Now that penalty many times may just be some community service for missing jury service, but you have a right as someone who is supposedly missed jury service to go in and have your case heard. And that all has to take place before there's any kind of a penalty imposed. Long story short, if you're ever subjected to this kind of a scam, do not ever send money. Because you in fact would get a notice in the mail, you would have a right to a hearing before any kind of action is taken. So no matter what these people say, no matter what they present, long story short, make sure you're dealing with your local county, with the sheriff's department in the majority of cases, and recognize you will have a right to be heard before any kind of a penalty is imposed. Okay, we bring you this case, we bring you cases every week so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.